Segu. My name is Gwenohu Marian Delaronde, and I'm the director of Dudadano Ohkwá. Dudadano Ohkwá is a children's television show that's broadcast in Ganawage. It is produced at Ganyakahaga Ungwawana Rodi Jokwa. Now that we are in our 7th season of production, we have roughly 36 episodes created. There's two things that they all have in common, and they're that one, they're all in Ganyokeha, and two, that the characters see the world through the frame of the Ganyokehaga culture. Apart from those two objectives, we also have a lot of segments that change for every season, but they always revolve around teaching more about our culture, promoting healthy lifestyles, which mean, for instance, showing kids enjoying active lifestyles, playing soccer or being part of a team, staying active, and also how to eat, how to choose healthy foods, and how the foods help your body, what the nutrients are in the foods that actually help your performance better during your day and give you energy. Another objective that gets met all the time, just because the characters see the world through the Ganyokehaga frame of mind, is that we're always promoting being loving towards our Mother Earth and respecting our Mother Earth. And we also tie that in with taking care of our body. One of the objectives that I always try to meet as well is to promote as many upcoming local artists as possible. We always need artwork for many different segments in the show, especially the legends. I enjoy working with artists and trying to find how we can best dramatize the story and get people interested and help them understand what is important about these legends and the values that are being passed down through these stories. I'm also happy that we're starting to expand the people that cooperate with us. We're involving artists and speakers from different nations in the Confederacy. I see this as important because growing up, all I knew about the other nations were the posters I seen on the wall with the kind of headdresses they wore and the names of the nations, and people of the shirts, people of the hills. That's all I knew. But now we're actually going to be traveling and recording kids speaking their different languages, and I'm very happy to start making connections with different people involved in language preservation from different places. With the technology available today, you don't need a big studio anymore or a big budget to create a DVD or a movie or a show that is a useful tool in language preservation and raising the civic pride of your nation by helping to explain some of our cultural beliefs. You can actually produce something that the kids enjoy watching, that they get excited about, and they do. So that's just a little bit of information about our show, Nyawa.